Hello everyone, welcome today. We are here with Andy Daley for our team member spotlight. Andy,
how you guys doing?
Grateful to have you here today.
Excited to be here.
Congratulations
Absolutely.
for being this month's team member.
Woo.
Andy, let's just get right into it. And how long have you been with TCW?
So I've been with TCW for about 3 months. Started in September and just hit the ground running, teaching classes and all that stuff. So
Awesome.
the onboarding process has been a lot of fun.
Now with that, what are some of the classes that you teach here at the Computer Workshop?
I typically teach your typical Microsoft applications, so Excel. Then I also dabble in some of the programming languages we do, so JavaScript, HTML, and then hopefully some of the more complicated languages a little bit later. So.
Awesome. Well, with being one of our expert instructors, is there any additional responsibilities or tasks you have here at the Computer Workshop?
Yes, there are. So on top of training, being in the classroom, so the days that I'm not training, I do try to help out with the website, and then also work on the background as well. So we have some stuff going on with the CRM. That would be something that I do in the future that I'm hoping that I can get a part of. But yeah, so much.
Awesome. And so is there anything that makes you a proud team member? Just, with only the 3 months of you being here, something that really makes you happy to be a part of this team?
Yeah, absolutely. So I spent a lot of time on the other side of the classroom. So I was a student for a long time, and I would say the most rewarding experience for me, and the thing that makes me the most proud, would be being up there on the other side of the classroom, being able to direct and teach people new things, getting that rewarding experience of that. That's awesome.
It's great. Awesome.
Yeah, I love it.
So Andy, is there anything that you like to do in your free time?
There's a couple things. So there's a couple gamers here at the Computer Workshop, and that's definitely one of the things that I focus on the most. So anytime I get the chance, I'm on either Xbox, PlayStation, PC, either one of those, and then I also like to work out. So I try to stay fit, stay active as much as possible. I'm at a desk a lot, so that's beneficial. And then I got 2 dogs as well. So if I'm not doing one of those two things, I'm also walking.
Well, if you guys want to see any of us here at the Computer Workshop play, be sure to comment, let us know. Or
Yes,
who do you think the
absolutely.
best gamer might be at the Computer Workshop?
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, please check us out.
Awesome. Well, Andy, thank you for joining us here today. Thank you for being a great member of our team. I'm thankful to have you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We post videos every week, educational videos to help you through different applications and technologies. There's been a few that Andy has helped us with thus far, so definitely want to check him out. And visit www.tcworkshop.com and register for your next class here with Andy. Andy, thank you once more, and we'll catch everyone in the next video.
Absolutely. See you guys. Thanks for stopping by.